How's it going, everyone? Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is my final on Robert's group build over there at Deep Junk Garage. And it took me a while to get this thing finished. It's been on the desk for a long time. Now I've got this out of the way. I got George's model on the bench that he gave me, the open road Chevy camper van, and so this is done. I want to thank all my subscribers before we get this going. If it wasn't for y'all guys, I would not have a channel. I'm serious. Love each and every one of you. Please like, share, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. If it wasn't for y'all, seriously, I would not have a modeling community. I mean, around here, there's really nothing. And y'all are the only ones that really see this stuff, other than a couple of friends, and that's it. So if it wasn't for y'all, my stuff wouldn't be getting out there. I'm not a channel that asks you for anything. I don't ask for handouts, money, this, that, PayPal, Patreon. I do not do that, guys. Don't need that kind of support. All I need is your support of liking, sharing, and subscribing, guys. That's it. That helps the algorithm out, and it helps my channel get out there to more people. And I really, really appreciate y'all. All right, so what we got going on here. This is my shop truck. As you can see, it is Wilkins & Sons Performance Shop Parts and Service. That's Volkswagen, Porsche. And I built the roof rack. That was all scratched built. I bent everything, cut it, painted it, built it. The trailer is scratched built, as y'all well know. It took me several kits to build this. This is the C1 models trans kit as far as the body, the resin body. You're supposed to use a Tamiya kit to use all the parts. Actually, I did not. I used a Polar Lights kit. I used the Polar Lights hood, windshield, interior, chassis, everything is Polar Lights other than the body. Of course, the wheels are different. Those are wheels I had out of the parts box. Now, the back part of this car is the Polar Lights car that I cut up. So this back part right here, but the rest of it's scratched built. Now the chassis under this is one of them Revell Germany 68 Volkswagen Bug that I had parts for, and that's the actual chassis under this. Now the mini bike, I took two fenders from that Polar Lights kit. I cut them down, made one fender to make a kind of a little custom mini dirt bike. You see there, not dirt bike, just a mini bike. And the sissy bar I made, the dirt bike or the custom mini bike actually is from one of those kits, those new kits that just came out, Dodge, I think the Dodge truck. I pulled that mini bike out of that, and that's what I used. But everything else I scratched built. We'll let this thing, and I resin cast the engine that's in this. I resin cast the Fujimi Porsche 356A engine, and that's what is in this. Hence the Porsche and Volkswagen. Of course, Porsche, Volkswagen, all the same company there. Let's roll this thing around here, and you can see what I got going on. I painted this thing in a Testors AMC silver, something silver from AMC, American Motors Company silver. That's what silver that is. You can see there. I don't have really any build pictures of this because I just got to building this, and I just had fun. Once I got on a roll, I forgot to take pictures, guys. I do have some build pictures from when y'all seen me building the chassis and this and that. I'll try to find them and throw them in at the end of this video, but and there'll be still shots at the end of this video, but yeah, I forgot. And I took this model to the Jacksonville Sprue Do model show that I went to, and I placed I got 2 first place, a second place, and a third place, but this got second place. I really thought I was going to get a first, but it didn't happen, but that's the way it rolls. The cars that got first place, I wouldn't have thought would have got first place, but you know, it all was in the categories. I probably just had this in the wrong category. I might would have got a little bit better placing, but you know, it is what it is. The hood does come off, if I can get it off. Daggum, it's on there. Sorry guys, I know it's not glued on there. There you go. Now I have a spare tire for it to put in there, but it really wasn't working out too good. It wasn't jiving so much. I might have to find me a little bit smaller tire to go with that spare tire, but I'll eventually we'll put the spare tire in there. I still got a little bit of detail painting I wanted to do in here, like these little cover things right here. You see there's 3 of them. Those should be black. I kind of threw this together for the model show, got it together as quick as possible, so I really need to go back and finish some stuff up on it and put the spare tire in it, but you know, I'll get there eventually. Let's throw that back on there. Alright. I put the little Nerf bars back here on the trailer. And it, you know, realistically, the way I meant for this trailer, if I had more time, I might would have done it. But this would have been on a hinge like this, and I would have put a ramp right here. But I didn't do all that. You know, you can leave it to your imagination. It is what it is. Let's see if I can pop. Well, let's just take this apart. Let's show you what all I've gotten done. Let's move this stuff out of the way. Okay. Let's pop this up. You can see it hinges up. Look at that. Look at that beautiful Porsche engine. It's got 2 distributors. So you got 4 plug wires for each cylinder head there, or whatever you want to say it. You know, cylinder on each side. Your 2 dual carbs, your linkage. I don't know if I can't get it all in there just very good to show you pictures. There's the interior. It's got a black wash on the interior. You can see it's got the door panels in there. You got your, I don't know if I can get it from this end. Let you see in there a little bit better. See if I can get a light on this. Get in there. All right, there's your dash. The dash is silver. Got the custom steering wheel on it. It's got the white grab handle. Yeah, it's got carpet in there. You can't see it, but it does have carpet in it. It's got black carpet in it. Let's turn this bad boy over. This is the underneath. Like I said, I will have some still pictures at the end of this. Let me set this one over to the side. Now I got the hood off. Now it don't want to stay on. Alright guys, this is the little mini bike. You can see I got the footrest right here, your sissy bar, your seat, your handlebars, got the tail light, got the front headlight. There she is. I could probably done a little more detailing on the engine there, but I just chromed everything out and called it good. Now at the model contest, I put in the back of here, I put the go-kart from, y'all remember when Doozer's Models, old Dwayne sent me that truck that he had painted the body on and I had to finish the truck? Well, I had a go-kart that I did all chromed up and painted. I put that in the back of it, and I set this out to the side when I did that. Alright, now here is my scratch-built trailer. All that is absolutely scratch-built. This is the back end hacked off of a Polar Lights kit. This is the Revell underneath here. the way I originally had planned was I was going to have storage under here for the ramps. This would hinge open, but I didn't even mess with all that. That might be why I didn't get first place, guys. You know, it is what it is. I get kind of lazy sometimes, especially if something's been sitting on the bench for a long time, and I get a little anxious and want to get it off the bench. Y'all know what I mean. Because I've been telling y'all, I've been trying to get it done. And I just hadn't had time to do it. And, you know, life gets in the way sometimes, and sometimes you just don't have the time at the bench you should. But, you know, now that fall is getting here, winter's coming on, I'm going to have a lot more time at the bench. Hopefully, knock on wood, I will have more time at the bench. But right now, this is what I've gotten done. Like I said, I will take still pictures of this. I might even have a few of the build pictures. I didn't finish everything as far as take a lot of build pictures. What's on the bench right now is the open road camper, over the road, open road, whatever, camper van that George gave me. And I have the 1:10 scale RC, the Sand Scorcher Volkswagen Bug, Baja Bug that the RC Elf has sent me. And I'm starting to mask that off and everything. Maybe here within a week or so I can get a video up of that, doing some of the work on that. Very appreciative of these guys. Appreciate y'all. Love y'all. Please like, share, and subscribe. Stick around for the pictures. And before this video ends, thank you very much, Justin from J Hart Motors, for the decals you made me. I never can thank you enough. Appreciate you, brother. Awesome decals. Thank you.